Are you going to look for a PPT presentation kit for ISO 9001 auditor training? Now, let me share the ISO 9001 auditor training kit's description. This ISO 9001 auditor training kit is designed by Punyam Academy to meet the training needs of quality management system auditors. More than 250 editable PPT slides are included in this kit to address elements. The contents of the ISO 9001 PPT presentation kit are listed below. PPT presentation. Handouts. Workshops and case study. Audit records. Audit checklist. Auditor training sample certificate and more. The ISO 9001 PPT presentation kit includes the following modules. Overview of ISO 9001. ISO 9001 principles. ISO 9001 requirements. Documented information. Risk assessment. ISO 9001 internal audit. Steps for QMS internal audit. The following are some of the benefits of using the ISO 9001 presentation training kit. Saves your time and cost. The soft copies of PPT presentation and handouts can be easily edited to make presentation for your own in-house training program. Easy to understand and use, all the training presentations are made in simple English. You can easily customize the PPT slides and also add audio clips in the local language. The ISO 9001 presentation kit takes care of all the sections and subsections of QMS auditor training requirements. It is helpful in training of both contractors and vendors. Feel free to contact us at sales@punyamacademy.com or go to www.punyamacademy.com for more information.